people, I am back again. I am back again for my women. Hey, women have been crying. Mama, I am of this age, I have not gotten married. Come and get this combo. Yeah. You know why I call it combo? This is Acuvie attraction perfume. Chai, it makes you among, as in, you'll be the first and not the last. You just mix it with your cream and be applying it, or your perfume. That's precious perfume that has this fragrance that whenever you spray it and go out, people will turn and say, wow. They will not just say, wow, and say, she smells good. No, they will turn and say, wow, she's good to be my wife. Use these two things and see your husband coming close to you, rushing to you. See the way men will be coming to you. Men will be asking you, babe, I no come to carry you overnight. I did not come to do relationship with you. I come to marry you. That man that is your own will come for you. Just these two Acuvie perfume and what? Cleansing soap. Ghana and I no go kill me. And I really get work. And I really get things. They do not, you see, you don't ever see Ghanaian, they like their women, they lack. Or have you ever seen their women, the one that knows what's up, not getting married to wedding men? Or guy, they make a sit down. Nigeria, wake up. Wake up. You know, I'll tell you a little story concerning this perfume. The first time I came, I got this perfume. I wasn't even giving much interest, but the Spirit said, take it and go and see wonders. And I gave it to one of my girls. She used it and came back with 3 of her friends saying they need this perfume. And I got only 5 pieces. But this time around, a lot of people are asking me, Mama, where that perfume? This same girl I did it for, she's married. The 2 of her friends are married, it's just remaining one. I say she's not yet ready for marriage. But men where they come away now, men we carry. Odogu them we sabi waiting they happen. The lion, the conqueror is there. Now this one they call the lion. Mix it with that precious perfume of yours. Hey, Acuvie the best. Mix it and come and see wonders. Yeah. Come and see the way people will be. You as a woman, I do this one especially for women. Then for my boys that knows, yes, they want to get attracted to beautiful women. You get, because some men too they also want them to be, they want to get attracted to women too. Come and get this perfume with this cleansing soap. After using your cleansing soap, just mix this one with your perfume, or mix it with your precious cream or oil that you apply on your face while going out. You go baffle. It will baffle every one of us. I know I'm not good in talking. Place your order if you know you need these 2 combo. Start placing your order. Place your order to get yours. Distance can never be a barrier. Immediately I come back, boom, I will start sending out waves. And I will await testimonies, because I will be loading it one after the other on my Facebook page, so that those that refuse to get it, they will be the one begging me to send me transport even to go and get it for them. Stay blessed. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more videos. So, and also follow me, because whenever I post any video, you'll be alert. Thank you very, very much. And I also handle any kind of spiritual, be it herbal or spiritual. Women looking for the fruit of the womb, fibroid,